Hi, I'm Amy. Welcome to Living Licurdo, where you can find fun recipes, party ideas, and crafts to help you live a more creative life. Coquito means little coconut in Spanish, and it's a traditional Christmas drink that originated in Puerto Rico. This recipe for coquito is an authentic Puerto Rican recipe. It comes from my friend Nadia, who's from Puerto Rico, and her family makes this for the holidays every year. They start making it around Thanksgiving, and then they drink it all throughout the holidays up until New Year's Eve. Now, you can make this any time of the year now with this amazing, authentic recipe. I'm so happy Nadia shared it with us today. So let's get started. First, you'll need 2 cans of condensed milk, and get the sweetened kind. And then next, you're going to add 2 cans of evaporated milk. Now, for the cream of coconut, you'll need 1 can, and make sure you do the Coco Lopez brand because that's what they use in Puerto Rico, and we want to stick with the tradition. And then you can add a whole can of coconut milk, or I just had room for half and it worked great. My friend Nadia uses half of a can as well. But if you like it more coconutty, go ahead and add some more. And then we're gonna do some vanilla extract and cinnamon. I do about 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of the ground cinnamon. Now, I only had room for this in my blender, so I'm going to add the rum next. The rum is very important. You need to use the Don Q brand. That is what they use in Puerto Rico, so we wanna make sure we do that. So I just poured half of it out, and now I'm going to do a cup of the rum in my blender because I didn't have room, so I'm gonna do this twice. Now just mix that up, and then you can add it to jars to share with friends, or you can just go ahead and drink it up. I made these cute labels, and you can actually print them on my website. They're totally free, and they make the perfect gift. Now, this you can put in a mason jar or an empty wine bottle, and it's the perfect holiday gift. Make sure you store this in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve. And I hope you guys love it. It is so good. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to Living Licurdo, and be sure to check out these other great videos to help you live a fun, creative life.